This is definitely the last one of the night. So I've about had it. It ran. It also made lots of noise. Yeah, let's get some more fluid in there. Let's see if it'll run on its own for a minute. Well, that sounds pretty f***ing terrible. And it smokes like a bejesus. We'll keep playing with it. That's a really big oil leak. Still making lots of weird noises inside there. Okay. Dumped a bunch more oil. That's not good. Yeah, I think that's our culprit. It's just dripping oil even without being pressured. So I need to tighten that up or put new copper washers in there or something. Yeah. Gas disconnected.
On the Japanese contingent here, very likely. Cars for the fast area.
Sometimes when you're rebuilding an engine, you end up rebuilding. And it's cool. It's all part of the process. You just got to go with it. In our case, we've got to get back in there to do something about the bad compression, the leaky banjo bolt, and I'm pretty sure I mixed up the valve stem seals. But hey, it's all practice, and practice makes perfect. So eventually, it'll be perfect. One thing we can see here pretty clearly is that it's about as easy to disassemble an EA82 inside the engine bay as it is out. Certainly can't say that for a newer Subaru. And as always, we've got our manual and we're following the proper torque sequence for disassembling the heads.
gonna go black, brown, black, wait, I'll do browns and black. I'm hoping that if I clean up that seat, we should get some better compression on this cylinder. Hopefully a better running engine overall. Right there. Maybe owing to this crack here. Oh man, yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Definitely taking a good torque. Yep, and that's her. degrees. Batteries hooked up, fuel's hooked up, full of oil, full of coolant. Let's give it a shot.
Seems like another car's pretty close behind them.
They come out tight. That's up by the quarry. So he's out of the tight stuff. Speed up, man.
Good, isn't he? That's good.
Right, excellent. Awesome board. So he's going right too.
Probably like 1,500. That's really not bad. How stupid of me.
would it be to take that thing out right now?
Take call one.
This is the first time I've ever even put it in gear.
I mean, that's a lie. It's the first time it's ever moved when you put it in gear. Better get out of his way. I don't know what's gonna happen. Hey, dude. Don't break it now. Another classic ride on the road.
Range work.
That's good. That's why you got the car. There you go, bud.
Yeah, man.
There you go, bud. Woo.
There's still a few things left to do before we can get the RX safely on the road. We'll get to that in the next episode. In fact, in the next episode, we'll get the RX on the road, and we'll even get it to its very first car show.